10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon 5x square minus 25x plus 12 is equal to 2x plus 3 upon x minus 5. Right? Now here children, as I told you that every time you are going to do the post-mortem of the question. How is it? Is it something like componento and dividendo? Something plus, something minus, same numbers? No, it is not like that. Is it something getting added? Easily तो कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है. I am confused. What to do? Huh? Right. On the left hand side we are having this some polynomials with the degree 2, and here we have the linear polynomial that is with the degree 1. Can I get this in terms of that? Possible? Let me check. So children, just observe things what I am doing. Just observe first two term of this, is it getting converted? Can I get 10x square plus 15x? Do not write, first understand. From 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 में से can I get 10x square plus 15x? चलो, from 2x, if I wanted to get 10x square, what I should multiply? I should multiply 2 5s are 10 and x into x is x square. So to get 10x square, I am having 5x multiplied by 2x. Okay, now just multiply this by 3 also. 5 3s are 15, 15x, this also. So this bracket, this part, if I multiply by 5x, I am getting this part. What is this part? This is the term containing x square and x without the constant term. Now the same thing is there in the denominator also. What is there in the denominator? X minus 5. Right? यहाँ पे क्या है? First two terms having 5x square and minus 25x. So is it, if I multiply here, I have to multiply here also. So I am getting that or not? Let me check. 5 into x into x. So 5x square and 5x into minus 5 is minus 25x. Right, so I am getting denominator also. So I can write this in form of this. So somewhere I am getting this. Then I will see what I can do. So what I did, I am trying to convert the left hand side in terms of right hand side. So what I am doing? I am writing this as a 5x into 2x plus 3 plus 63, and this I am writing as 5x into x minus 5 plus 12, and of course right hand side is as it is. अभी लग रहा है ना कुछ same, right? So the most difficult part in all these sums are na to adjust the numerator and denominator. If that strikes, then the sum becomes easy. But if that doesn't strike, then there is a problem. Okay, so now assume this is something like A. Let me take A. इसको A assume कर देते हो, इसको A B assume करो. So let A is equal to 2x plus 3 and B is equal to x minus 5. ठीक है? Now see how it is written. So 5x और इसकी जगह पे I am going to write down as A plus 63 upon, यहाँ पे भी 5x है. This is x minus 5 is B plus 12 as it is. Right hand side में क्या लिखूंगी? This part is A and this part is B. Correct? हाँ, now little सिंपल लुक आई एम गेटिंग. हाँ, उसके बाद में तो मीन्स ऐसा आने के बाद में इफ इट इज अ लीनियर फॉर्म वी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. In all the sum, most of the times we did the cross multiplication, right? So let me try here also. So b into 5xa plus 63 is equal to a into 5xb plus 12. Okay. Open the bracket. 5 पहले a फिर b फिर x. आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग इन अल्फाबेटिक ऑर्डर. ओके, बी एक्स ए को अच्छी तरह से लिख रही हूँ एस ए बी एक्स अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में, डिक्शनरी ऑर्डर से. प्लस 63 इंटू बी इज इक्वल टू 5 ए बी एक्स अगेन इन अल्फाबेटिक ऑर्डर प्लस 12 ए. करेक्ट. So you have 63b is equal to 5abx plus 12a minus 5abx. What I did, shifted this here. So automatically this will get cancelled. आप लोग डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे भी कैंसिल कर सकते हो, no problem. So you are left with 63b is equal to 12a, right? So divide throughout by 3. Both are divisible by 3 na. 21 3s are and 3 4s are. So I got this. Maximum simplification I did, right? After doing maximum simplification, let me resubstitute. क्योंकि क्वेश्चन तो a and b में नहीं चलेगा. The question is in the form of x, so I should get the answer also in the form of x. A and b is my own products. I cannot use it here, right? So I can write down 21. What is b? B is mera x minus 5 is equal to 4 into what is a? A is 2x plus 3, right? So now open the bracket. 21x minus 21 5s are 105. Clear? So take x on one side. 21x minus 8x is equal to 12 plus 105. चलो 21 minus 8, it's 13. So 13x is equal to 12 plus 105 is 117. So what is x is equal to 117 upon 13. 13 9s are 117. So x is equal to 9. So what is your answer? X is equal to 9 is the solution of given equation. Clear? Write it down first. Write it fast, quickly.
Yes, sister.
Yeah. Now I think question number 5. Question number 5 is 4x plus 1 the whole square plus 2x plus 3 the whole square upon 4x square plus 12x plus 9. This is equal to 61 upon 36. Now here to those numbers are there. I am just started doing the postmortem of this sum. Here I am getting numbers. So numbers के बारे में क्या सोचना? They are not perfect square, also not cube, nothing. Let me do something here. I am having this is 4x plus 1 the square and he is 2x plus 3 the square. So what should come in my mind? Can I get this number in terms of this? Anything, something like this? Okay. So what I see is, now see this is the rough work which should go in your mind. Okay. I'm having the denominator 4x square plus 12x plus 9. I hope you all are knowing the factorization. What we used to do? Multiply the first and the last coefficient. So 9 4s are 36. 36 के दो factors in such a way that you get 12 addition. Yes, 6 6 are 36 and 6 plus 6 12. Right? So 4x square plus 6x plus 6x plus 9. 12 I am splitting into 6x and 6x. Let me see what I am getting. So from these two I can take 2 from 4 and 6 common, and from x square and x I can take x common. So you are left with 2x plus 3 here. And here I can take 3 common, and inside it will be 2x and 3 3s are 9. So 3. Correct? Now this is one term and this is one term. From this day I can take 2x plus 3 common. So what you are left with? 2x plus 3. Right. So what is it? 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. That is nothing but 2x plus 3 the whole square. And I am happy because I am seeing 2x plus 3 here in the numerator. Something came similar in the numerator as well as in denominator. So let me write down the question again. So what I will do it? First I write down consider and I will solve it so that I will understand. Okay, my rough work, I am getting something important, so I can just cancel the word rough work and write down consider. Yes, that became my fair things. So question will become, how the question will become? Numerator तो जैसा था वैसे ही, same thing it will be. And in the denominator, this I can write as 2x plus 3 the whole square. Right? Of course, their numbers are not changed. Is this much part clear?
Stop. Sir, please stop.
Clear? Now,
Is your video stop?
no, but there is network problem from your side. My video is going on. I am using two mobiles so I can see what is going on. Now I am happy. I can see numerator and denominator both same here. Something is coming here. So when something is absorbed, that is there. Huh? What I can do now? I should subtract this. So ये अपने आप cancel हो जाएगा. So subtraction is called as dividend. So let me use dividendo. So using dividendo. So using dividendo, what you will get? What is dividendo actually? Numerator minus denominator upon denominator, na? What is dividendo? Huh? This is for your reference, but this is no need to write down this bracket part. If you write this much, that's fine. But I am just writing what is numerator, this whole part. So let me write down the whole part. 4x square, 4x plus 1 the whole square, plus 2x plus 3 the whole square. This is numerator minus denominator. So minus, what is denominator? 2x plus 3 the whole square, and upon denominator, that is 2x plus 3 the whole square. I do on left hand side, so I will do on the right hand side also. So 63 minus 36 upon 36. Right? Yay, this got cancelled. I'm so happy now. So what is remaining in the numerator? 4x plus 1 the whole square. And here down in the denominator 2x plus 3 the whole square. 61 minus 36 is 25 and 36. Now children, I'm more happy. You know why? I see the square here, I see the square here, and my 25 is also perfect square. And my 36 is also perfect square. So, can I write this as 5 का square upon 6 का square? Well, instead of 25 and 36. अब सब जगह पे square है. To remove that, what I should do? Yes, opposite operation of that. That is called as the taking square root. Square is there, na? So opposite to that will be square root. So what I'll do? By taking square root on both sides. So you are going to take the square root. So all those square sign will disappear. You will be having 4x plus 1 upon 2x plus 3 is equal to 5 upon 6 up to 2 will get 2. Okay. So you are left with 5 upon 6. Now this is simple. Once you reach to this step, उसके बाद में तो you have to just cross multiply and solve for x. So come on, 6 into 4x plus 1 is equal to 5 into 2x plus 3. So you have 24x plus 6 is equal to 10x plus 15. So 24x minus 10x is equal to 15 minus 6. So you have 14x is equal to 9. So what is x? X is equal to 9 upon 14. Right? So you can write the answer. That x is equal to 9 upon 14 is a solution of the given equation. Right?